How to fix age restriction in TikTok on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your TikTok app and then go to your profile icon on the bottom right corner and then tap on the three lines on the top right. Now tap on settings and privacy, scroll down and you'll find report a problem. Tap on it and then scroll down, tap on chat with us. Here you'll find various frequently asked questions related to account, traffic, live interaction and many more. So it says what do you need help with? So you'll need to tap on account. And then here you will find I want to update my birth date. Tap on it. And now TikTok will give you the solution. So it says that if you believe that the date of birth you entered is incorrect, then please submit your request using this form. So age restriction is basically because you're 18 years or less. So if you have put your age less than 18 years, you can tap on this form. So it will lead you to a Google Chrome browser, and then here you'll need to report a problem. So select topic. So your option is change of birth date, and then you need to put in your username, your contact email, and in additional details you can write that I need to change my birth date but I cannot change it. I have everything valid. Please help me solve the problem, and something like this. And you can even put screenshots of the problem in your attachment, and then tick the declaration and submit the form, and TikTok will get back to you within 24 hours and your problem will be solved. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.